Here is a brief history of Chalcis. This is the city that connects Evia, this second biggest island and the second most populated island in Greece, to the mainland of Greece. And it's really perfect strategically because it's like a river, not really a river, but a strait of Evropis, here going this way, and then this way is the access between the mainland and Evia. So it's perfectly situated, just like Constantinople is perfectly situated water-wise and land-wise, right? Anyway, so let's get to the history. First things first, of course, he goes through all the kind of ancient bronze archaic ages of Greece, and then we get to the interesting stuff, which is when Chalcis and its neighbor just down that way to the south, Eretria, started feuding, and that started the Lelantine War, right? Because there was a river and there's a nice long big plain between here and Eretria. And they were fighting off over that agricultural land. And it was kind of like the first world war of the Greek world. Let's call the Peloponnesian War the Second World War. This was the First World War. Things were a bit more basic, alliances were a bit more loose, but it was all the way from the Ionian coast of Anatolia all the way to Magna Graecia in Italy. There were sides in this battle, in this war. And anyway, after this series, of course, there was the Persian Wars. That's when Eretria and Chalcis and Athens, which are Ionian cities, which colonized a lot of Asia Minor, they helped the Ionian brothers, and they paid for it when Darius came through, except for Athens, because they beat them. But anyway, after that, there's a lot of just shenanigans by the Romans, but most interestingly, Venetian occupation. We have some nice Catholic churches here, and we're going to see a bit more Venetian stuff, just like we did in Kythera. Let's go.